Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to this video. In this video, we wanted to share with you a breakdown of two major AI copyright rulings involving Meta and Anthropic. What do these decisions mean for the future of AI training, fair use, and creator rights? In this video, we explore as to how the US courts are beginning to shape the boundaries of artificial intelligence and intellectual property. Artificial intelligence, copyrights, and the courts. What the Meta and Anthropic rulings really mean. Two major court rulings this week may change as to how we think about copyrights, creativity, and artificial intelligence. Meta and Anthropic, two leading AI developers, just scored partial legal victories in US federal courts over their use of copyrighted books to train their AI models. But what do these rulings really mean for the authors, for tech companies, and for the future of content creation? Let's start with a bit of a background for context. At the heart of these lawsuits lies a key question. Can the artificial intelligence companies legally use copyrighted materials like books and articles to train their models without the creator's permission? And if so, where do we draw the line between fair use and infringement? This is a part of a much larger debate as to how the generative AI model learns and whether it's fundamentally different from how humans absorb information. The courts are now being asked to answer this question. Let's start with the Meta ruling. A federal judge in San Francisco dismissed a lawsuit brought by authors wherein the authors alleged that Meta had trained its Llama models on a massive dataset of online books, some sourced from shadow libraries like LibGen. The court ruled in Meta's favor, but not because the use was definitively legal. Instead, the judge said that the plaintiffs failed to present a strong legal case or develop the right arguments. More importantly, the judge hinted that a stronger case could be made by focusing on market harm. That is how AI models might flood the market with content, making it harder for human creators to monetize their work. And then there's the Anthropic ruling. Herein, the judge ruled that the training on purchased books was legal under fair use, comparing the AI learning to a human reading a book and developing ideas. But, and this is crucial, the judge drew a clear line. Training on pirated content does not qualify. This issue will go to trial separately. The ruling also explicitly left out the question as to whether the AI generated outputs violate the copyright. That's a major battle that is still to come. So, what's the bigger picture out here? What do these rulings tell us? First and foremost, that courts may be willing to allow AI to learn from legally obtained materials under fair use, but they are not giving a blanket approval. Secondly, the legal strategy matters. Weak arguments, even for valid concerns, won't hold up in court. And thirdly, we are likely headed towards more nuanced precedents, especially around the two core issues: how content was obtained and how artificial intelligence outputs may compete with or dilute the original works. These cases are just the beginning. As more lawsuits unfold, we'll likely see a more clearer picture on the guidelines as they start to emerge, whether through the courts or through regulation. But for now, creators, platforms, and developers are all navigating a legal gray zone. That's all that we wanted to share with you in this video. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Do stay tuned in for more.